How to edit voice memos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your existing recordings and folders like recently deleted. Here, you can see your full list of memos. Now, select the voice memo you wish to edit. Once you are here, in the editing screen, tap the sliders icon at the top left to access audio options. Here, you can increase the playback speed, toggle on skip silence to automatically bypass pauses and enhance recording for better sound quality. To shorten your memo, tap the trim icon in the top right corner as shown. You will be taken to the trimming interface. You will now see yellow sliders at the start and end of the audio timeline. Drag these sliders to highlight the exact portion of the audio that you want to keep. After making your selection, tap the trim button at the left. Then, tap on Apply at the top right corner. You can also rename your voice memo by tapping on its title at the top of the screen. Simply type in the new name you prefer. After typing the new name, tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the keyboard, and then tap on Done to save. Then, choose Save as New Recording as shown. You'll see the updated name in your list of recordings. Following these steps, you can easily edit voice memos on an iPhone.